Hi everyone, and welcome back to Our Life in the Florida Keys.
Good morning. We are headed out on the boat today, and I've had, I don't know, something upper respiratory going on the last couple of days, and it's really true what they say about vitamin C. I always feel better out on the boat, always feel better in the salt air, in the water, so excited to get out there. So when we head on the boat, typically what happens is I get all of the inside stuff ready, and then he gets all of the outside stuff ready. So I'm in charge of the cooler and snacks and sunscreen and the speaker and all the towels, all that good stuff. And then he gets the boat uncovered and gets all the fishing gear together, make sure that we have all the lures and stuff that we need if we're fishing, and I'll show you. So he's down there busy working, getting everything set to go. Right now it looks like he's working on lures. So yeah, I'm the inside, he's the outside, and it works out really, really well. And it's really funny because if we had to switch roles, we would have absolutely no idea what we're doing. So I'm really thankful that we have like assigned tasks.
So I'm a little bummed that this part of the video did not come out better. What you can't see is the dinghy behind this insane mega yacht is bigger than our boat. This is truly one of the biggest boats that I've seen since we have been here in the Florida Keys. This is what my husband and I like to refer to as a snowstorm at sea. We can only assume with how big and insane this boat is that it's owned by somebody in organized crime or the cartel, and it's full of cocaine and strippers. Okay, viewers, I want to know your thoughts on who you think owns this boat and what you think it's used for. So drop your thoughts in the comments below. You're also going to notice here in a second that we actually had to slow down when we tried to cross their wake. Their wake was so big that our boat would have gone airborne had we tried to stay on plane, and we would have hit it. Guys, this boat was intense, absolutely intense, and it almost swamped the front of our boat. Okay, not really. But it is really fun to say that, you know, the super rich people were going to sink the poor people out in the middle of the ocean. Little did we know in Tennessee that this kid was absolutely built for boat life and ocean life. She's adjusted so well and she absolutely loves it. Welcome to American Shoals Lighthouse. Barfy cabana. weather today was definitive proof that any day on a boat is way better than any day on land. All of those storms are over the islands, and it's beautiful and sunny out in the middle of the ocean. We also never waste a perfectly good trip back into shore.
hardest things to do here for a boat ramp is to park and to find somewhere to park. So I actually park on another street on the curb, and so do a lot of other people. This is a very, very popular boat ramp, and it gets busy. We've been here when there has been 5 or 6 cars deep waiting to load and unload.
If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to all of our patrons for keeping our channel going, and thank you so much to all of our subscribers. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see more. And please join us on Patreon if you would like to help us keep our channel going.